guys, this is Debbie with Debbie's Kitchen Corner, and today I wanted to share a recipe with you we often use, specifically when we come home late or when we don't really want to cook a lot, when we just want to have something easy and healthy. It's a roasted vegetable dish, and we eat that with roasted kielbasa on the top. So you can use any vegetables you have available, but I will show you what we use so you have an idea how you can do this. Let me show you what we do. So these are the vegetables I use. I use peppers, zucchini, an onion, gold potatoes, but you can use russet as well, and a sweet potato. And then you can also use mushrooms, broccoli, whatever you have at hand. Let's chop them up, and then I'll show you what to do next. So now all the veggies are chopped up. We're gonna put some olive oil over them. And then whatever season you want. I use lemon pepper, paprika, lots of it, garlic powder, and salt. And then all you do is mix it like that, carefully, so nothing comes out. And then you pour it into a baking sheet and bake it for like 25 to 30 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you have parchment paper on here. That way it won't bake in. Even it out with a spatula. And then, like I said, put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. When it gets nice and brown on the top, and when it is soft, it's done. And after 15 minutes, we're gonna cut up the sausage now, and after 15 minutes, we're gonna put the sausage on the top. If you put it on the top now, it will get black and burned. So we gotta have this first, cook a little bit, and then we put the sausage on the top. So let's cut the kielbasa in slices. Or we could also just cut it in half. That might be smarter. Just nice little chunks. It's been 15 minutes, and now we're just gonna put the kielbasa on the top. And then we put it in for another 15 minutes, and the kielbasa will be nice and brown. Make sure you put it all over the place, not all in the same spot. Can you hear the sizzling sound? Dinner is served.